Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by choosing a reputable VPN optimized for gaming. Make sure the app supports your platform and offers low-ping servers. Once subscribed, install the client and sign in. Enable the kill switch to prevent IP leaks and turn on split tunneling so Warzone traffic routes through the VPN while other apps don't. You do this first to avoid account flags and to control latency. After that, test a few nearby servers for stable ping before launching the game. Now configure the VPN for gameplay. Pick a server that balances low latency and the country you need. Switch protocol to UDP for speed and test connection quality inside the VPN app's diagnostics. If you play on console, set a static local IP or use router-level VPN to avoid NAT issues. This makes port mapping stable. Make sure split tunneling still routes Warzone through the tunnel. Once done, reboot console or PC to apply network changes and check your public IP reflects the VPN location. Launch Warzone and immediately verify your in-game ping and packet loss. Watch for consistent performance during a match. Also confirm your external IP and region match the VPN server so matchmaking aligns with your chosen location. If you encounter high ping or disconnections, change to a closer server, switch protocols, UDP versus TCP, or disable IPv6, which can cause leaks. As a final fix, clear DNS cache or restart the router.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.